This presentation is designed to help you to describe the functions of the cardiovascular system, to explain and evaluate the immediate and short-term effects of exercise on the cardiovascular system, and to apply knowledge of the cardiovascular system to the exam-style question. And you've got a plan for this that you should be completing as you go. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood, and the blood vessels. The heart is a muscular pump which pushes blood throughout the many blood vessels in the body. Blood being pushed around the body by the heart has two main functions: to supply the body with oxygen and nutrients, and to remove waste products such as carbon dioxide. The blood vessels that run throughout the body allow the blood to travel everywhere. Heart rate is the number of times the heart beats per minute. Heart rate can vary considerably from person to person. Therefore, it is difficult to say what a normal heart rate is. However, the normal resting heart rate is accepted to be between 60 to 80 beats per minute. 72 beats per minute is often regarded as an average. Exercise makes the body work harder. As a result, the muscles require more oxygen, which means the body needs more oxygen and more nutrients, such as glycogen, to function properly. Oxygen and nutrients are carried to the muscles by the blood. Therefore, the heart has to work faster to pump blood around the body, and this means that the heart rate, as in the beats per minute, increases as an immediate effect of exercise. To bring about a change in heart rate, the body releases adrenaline, which is the main cause of changes in heart rate and blood pressure. Adrenaline is a hormone, and it makes the heart beat faster, and among other things, causes glycogen to be released by the liver and blood to be diverted away from the organs, to the muscles, which need to work harder during exercise. The heart makes two beating sounds. The first is called systole and is made by the lower chambers of the heart contracting and pushing blood at high pressure into the arteries. The actual sound is caused by the heart valves closing. The second sound is called diastole and is made by the upper chambers contracting, pushing blood down into the lower chambers. During exercise, this sound gets louder, mainly as a result of an increase in blood pressure. So the increased blood pressure that results from an immediate and effective exercise. Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood on the walls of the arteries. It increases during exercise because more blood is pumped around the body, increasing pressure on the blood vessels. A blood pressure meter is used to measure systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure is the maximum pressure in the arteries when the heart contracts or the heart beats, and it pushes blood out through the aorta into the body. This rises during activity or excitement as more blood is required by the body. It falls during sleep when the body is at rest. Diastolic blood pressure is the pressure of the blood during the relaxation phase between heartbeats, or when the heart is resting. It depends mainly on the elasticity of the arteries and the quality of the vessels. This either stays the same during exercise or occasionally decreases. Pulse pressure is the difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressures.